All the spraying was completed yesterday by Bill. Didn't go flawless. I think there was another roller mishap that caused a setback, but we are here. They all look good. Satin finish. We are starting drilling. First step is badge holes so that I can be hammering in the inserts. Then he can retool for either the bracket or the lugs. When you hammer in the inserts, they pinch up a bit, so you have to run a bolt through the back to open them up. It goes pretty quick. Down the road, maybe we'll make a little tool, like a little hammering anvil with the thread already in, so you just screw them on there and hammer them in. But for now, we're just going at it. Bill's running through all the drums now, drilling for the bracket. And then he'll readjust and we'll drill them all for lugs. That air pedal is amazingly nerdy.
I love it. It's actually like surprisingly helpful.
Nailed it. Okay, so that was an hour and a half for you. If I give myself a half hour for the inserts and the reaming and setup, so I'd say we're 2 hours on drilling. Next is edges.
Got a little chip out on this one.
Oh.
It's just a little bit though. I think that like if we just hit that with some sandpaper to smooth it out, I think it's acceptable. What do you think?
The brackets took a half hour by myself. Lugs and badges took 2 hours, the both of us, so we're 4.5 man hours total to get this far. Next is heads, hoops, tension rods. And Humperdew got his badges out of sequence, so he's fixing his mistake.
Yep. As one does.
Drum dial comes in handy for stuff like this. So the only ones that aren't done are the 14s because we're waiting on hoops. Reckon we probably got another half hour in those just to throw the head on, throw the hoop on, pull finger tension, tune them. Probably a little shy of a half hour, but round it up a bit. So now I think we're gonna pull a table into our office space to kind of keep things clean. So we still got to throw dust on, you know, other projects.
Yep.
It's been a full and productive day, but I just can't help myself. I gotta try to get this last shell sanded. Okay, that's a wrap for the evening. Keep these little buddies out of the dust. Hopefully the hoops come in sooner than later. We can get them wrapped up and shipped out.
Ship it.